Welcome back to Cars Jade Channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the 2026 Toyota RAV4. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 continues to assert its dominance in the compact SUV segment with its rugged design and practical functionality. While the Adventure and TRD Off-Road models are no longer available, the RAV4 remains a reliable choice for on-road adventures, offering a balance of comfort, cargo space, and user-friendly technology. The RAV4's tough exterior hints at off-road capability, but its strengths are firmly rooted in daily on-road use. With a spacious cabin, ample cargo capacity, and an impressive suite of driver assistance features, it suits the needs of most drivers. However, the 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, while efficient, is not the most thrilling performer in the segment. Despite its modest 203 horsepower output, the RAV4 offers a comfortable driving experience. However, it faces stiff competition from its Toyota siblings, which offer better power, acceleration, and fuel efficiency. The RAV4's interior is thoughtfully designed, prioritizing comfort and utility. The cabin offers generous cubby storage, making it a practical choice for families and travelers alike. However, the level of luxury and refinement depends on the chosen trim. Base LE trim features cloth seats, hard black plastics, single-zone manual climate control. Design simple and utilitarian, keeping the price accessible. XLE trim features two-tone cabin options, improved upholstery, and additional features for enhanced convenience. XLE premium trim features faux leather upholstery, leather-wrapped steering wheel and shift knob, stitched dashboard, and a padded center console armrest. Design more upscale with soft-touch materials and an overall premium feel. There's a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine up front, making 203 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Front-wheel drive comes standard on all RAV4 trims, with all-wheel drive an option. While the engine is efficient, it can feel underpowered during highway maneuvers or rapid acceleration. Additionally, the transmission may hesitate during downshifts, particularly under load. This makes the driving experience more about practicality than performance excitement. The price of the 2026 Toyota RAV4 starts at $30,245 and goes up to $38,550 depending on the trim and options. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.